Hi, I'm Rodney Johnson with Johnston RV Center here in Decatur, Alabama and Coleman, Alabama. We'd like to invite you to our weekend workshop. We're really excited about a program that we've come up with. Our customer education specialists are great. Our guys do walkthroughs with our customers and teach them how to use all the different features of their camper, all the electronics and all the things that are involved in modern day RVing. However, there's only an hour or so of that time that we use. So we wanted to come up with a way that we could help you, tutorials on how to be able to hook up your sewer, water, how to do your anything to do with how to hook your camper up, how to level your camper, how the power works, the things that you might want to go over again or have a reference video for that. It's going to be a really fun time. By the way, this is not just for our customers. Anybody that has an RV that wants to look on our Facebook page or our website can go to that. On the 22nd, on Friday, we're going to have our general manager in Coleman. He's going to go through just the basic fundamentals of how to get your camper set up for that weekend. He's a long-time camper, has loads of experience, really great. He'll be able to show you exactly how to do that. Then on the 23rd, we're going to have a Q&A. All right, so if you want to register for the roundtable Q&A session, just click on the link above and you will get an email back, and it will tell you exactly how to go to that. And you can also submit your questions ahead of time, and that will really help us. We can research if there's some things we want to check out. We'll have your questions and we'll get to them in the order they come in, and in that day we'll also have several questions, I'm sure. So if you've had some questions that you've been trying to get the answer to, we'll be glad to answer them. We've got some experienced RVers to help you out. And just remember, it's on Friday the 22nd. That's going to be a basic 101 kind of course on how to set up your travel trailer and your how to set your levelers, just everything about it. And then on Saturday is a roundtable Q&A. So just remember to click on the link and sign up, and I think you'll really get a lot from it, and we're really excited about what we're going to be able to provide for you.